Hey friends, welcome back to another video of 𝐿𝐴 photography, and I'm Adi. So in this video we are gonna take this pic. All we need to take this pic is this kind of a watch. If you don't have a smartwatch like this, don't worry guys, take any watch you have. And before discussing more about the pic, let's roll the intro, friends. So we need to use two editors to make this image. First is picsart and Lightroom. Lightroom is to color grade the image, and if you don't have these both, I'll give the link in the description. You can download it from there. And picsart, we need picsart mainly, friends. If you don't use Lightroom also, no problem. I use Lightroom to color grade it. So without delaying, let's go to take the pic. And before that, if you're seeing my channel for the first time, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you will be notified instantly whenever I upload my new video. So without wasting time, let's go to take the pic and let's edit it. Now I have opened picsart here, and this is the image I selected, and on the bottom there will be several options. From that we have to select add photo. So, and I have downloaded a picture of sea. You can download it from any browser. I downloaded it from Chrome, and on the top there will be an erase option. Click it and select erase and erase the sea. I know you will be thinking, why did I? So we want to place a sea inside the watch, and for that there will be restore. Select it and zoom in and restore it. So just adjust and erase it. So you take your time and do it perfectly. Okay, that's all. And the next thing is, again we have to add a PNG of water splash. You have to download it also from Chrome, and zoom in, fix it, then select the erase option, and to make it perfectly blended, so let's erase it. Erase the unwanted, so you can also erase the unwanted part. So the remaining part I need, and to make it perfectly blended, reduce the opacity and erase. So okay, and again adjust it according to your size, your watch size. So we can see a color difference. To make it equal, select that PNG. There will be adjust. We can adjust the contrast, brightness, saturation. So I'm just adjusting very few to make it look similar. So still there is a mismatch, right? So again select the drop button, erase, opacity. So no, that's not wanted, right? Reduce the opacity and rub the water little more, so we can see it perfectly now. Now it's perfect. Again add the picture of our kingfisher and place it correctly. Okay, so okay, my kingfisher should be here. And to bring little more originality, again we have to add a water splash. So this is the water splash. Go to erase tool and erase the important parts. We need only that water droplets. Okay, then we have to keep it like around the kingfisher and just save it. So now I have opened Lightroom here to color grade the image. So open the image, and first let's do the basic adjustment. Go to lights and adjust it according to your image. So I am making the green little more look brighter and our sea little more darker. Okay, and this is all what we do with light. This is the before and this is the after, nothing much. And next go to color. On the top there will be mix. Select that, select blue color and reduce the increase the hue, so it will be little more dark blue. Increase the saturation. Next, go to green, increase it so we can see the background get little more brighter. Decrease the saturation and increase the decrease the luminance. Same do to yellow also. Decrease it, increase the saturation and decrease the luminance. And now let's see whether there is some presets which match to our picture. So artistic 2, it does, yeah, it okay, but not right. Yeah, I feel like artistic 5 is perfect, so I selected it. And now let's see this is the before and this is the after. So that's all about today's video, and if you like it, like the video, share it to your friends, leave your opinion on the comment box, and bye bye. I'll be back with this kind of creative videos. Until that, stay connected, follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description, and okay friends, bye, see you on the next video.